Have you been thinking about getting a laser engraver without spending a fortune? In this video, we've rounded up the 8 best budget-friendly laser engravers on Amazon for every need and skill level. Stick around until the end to find the one that offers the best value for your money. And remember, you'll find the latest prices and links in the description below. Kicking off the list at number 8 is the X-Tool M2, a laser engraver designed for anyone who wants an easy, beginner-friendly machine without giving up premium features. Its fully enclosed design makes it feel safer and cleaner to use, especially if you're working at home or in a small studio. One of its biggest advantages is the built-in dual camera system, which helps you position designs accurately and reduces wasted materials. Whether you're personalizing tumblers, creating home decor, engraving gifts, or making products to sell online, the workflow feels smooth and surprisingly intuitive. It also handles a wide variety of materials, giving you plenty of room to experiment as your projects become more ambitious. While its workspace may not be ideal for oversized creations, it delivers impressive precision where it matters most. For anyone looking for a polished, user-friendly experience without a steep learning curve, the X-Tool M2 is a solid way to start this ranking. Coming in at number 7 is the LaserPecker LP1 Pro, a great choice if portability is one of your top priorities. Unlike larger desktop engravers, this compact model is easy to carry, quick to set up, and perfect for creating personalized items almost anywhere. It's especially appealing for hobbyists, craft fair vendors, or small business owners who want to customize products like leather notebooks, wooden kitchen tools, coasters, wallets, metal flasks, and countless other everyday items. The simple app-based workflow makes it approachable even if you've never used a laser engraver before, so you can spend less time learning and more time creating. Naturally, its compact size means it's better suited for smaller projects rather than large signs or furniture pieces. Still, if convenience, flexibility, and ease of use matter more than a huge working area, the LaserPecker LP1 Pro offers a surprisingly capable package that easily deserves its place in this countdown. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. At number 6, we have the LaserPecker LP2 Plus, a machine that strikes an excellent balance between portability and performance. If you're ready to move beyond basic engraving but still want something compact enough to fit comfortably on a desk, this model is definitely worth considering. It delivers clean, detailed results on materials like wood, leather, coated metals, acrylic, and more, making it a versatile option for personalized gifts, business branding, custom drinkware, or creative DIY projects. Another highlight is its impressive engraving speed, allowing you to complete more projects in less time without sacrificing quality. The intuitive software keeps the learning curve manageable, so beginners can get started quickly while experienced makers still have plenty of control. Although it's not designed for cutting thick materials like larger diode machines, that's not really its purpose. For anyone looking for a fast, reliable, and highly portable engraver that can grow with their creativity, the LaserPecker LP2 Plus easily earns its spot in this ranking. Halfway through the ranking, the WeCreate Vision 45 watts stands out as a machine built for people who are serious about taking their projects to the next level. Its powerful laser opens the door to faster engraving and more efficient cutting, which becomes a huge advantage if you're producing items regularly instead of just making the occasional craft. The enclosed design helps keep your workspace cleaner while also making the overall experience feel more refined and beginner-friendly. It's an excellent fit for anyone creating personalized gifts, home decor, custom signs, engraved drinkware, or products for an online store. Features like the automatic lifting system also make switching between different materials much more convenient, saving time during longer sessions. Of course, this level of performance comes with a higher price than entry-level models, but the extra investment is easy to justify if you value speed, versatility, and a smoother workflow. That's exactly why the WeCreate Vision 45 watts earns a well-deserved spot in the top 5. Landing at number 4 is the Carverall K15 Pro, an excellent option for makers who want plenty of power without stepping into premium pricing. This engraver is built for people who enjoy creating everything from personalized gifts and home decor to detailed artwork and products they can actually sell. Its generous working area gives you more freedom to tackle larger designs, while the powerful laser handles engraving with sharp detail and cuts through many common materials with confidence. That means fewer limitations and more opportunities to turn your ideas into finished projects. It's also compatible with popular engraving software, making it easy to fit into an existing workflow, whether you're a beginner or already have some experience. Like most open-frame machines, you'll want to use it in a well-ventilated area and follow the usual safety precautions. If your priority is getting strong performance, versatility, and excellent value for the money, the Carverall K15 Pro is one of the most compelling choices in this entire ranking. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Breaking into the top 3 is the Xtool F2, a compact laser engraver that focuses on precision, speed, and convenience. If your main goal is personalizing high-value items like jewelry, metal business cards, tumblers, leather accessories, or custom gifts, this machine feels purpose-built for that kind of work. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for home workshops, small businesses, or even retail environments where space is limited but professional-looking results are essential. Setup is straightforward, and the software keeps the entire process simple enough for beginners, while still offering the flexibility that experienced creators appreciate. Another advantage is how quickly it handles small production runs, making it a practical option if you're selling personalized products and want to complete orders efficiently. It isn't intended for cutting large wooden panels or oversized craft projects, but that's hardly a drawback considering its specialized design. For anyone looking for premium engraving quality in a compact package, the Xtool F2 is easily one of the strongest contenders on this list. Taking the runner-up spot is the Creality Falcon 10 watts, a machine that delivers an impressive mix of power, precision, and flexibility at a price that's hard to ignore. It's a fantastic choice for creators who enjoy working on larger projects, whether that's custom wall art, layered wooden designs, signs, leather accessories, or personalized gifts. The spacious working area gives you much more freedom than many compact engravers, while the optional rotary attachment lets you expand into engraving bottles, tumblers, mugs, and other cylindrical items with ease. It's also compatible with widely used engraving software, making it simple to integrate into almost any creative workflow. Because it's an open-frame machine, you'll need to pay attention to ventilation and basic laser safety, but that's a common trade-off in this category. When you combine its strong cutting ability, generous workspace, and excellent value for money, it's easy to see why the Creality Falcon 10 watts comes so close to taking the #1 position. And finally, taking the #1 spot is the Xtool S140 watts, a laser engraver that manages to combine power, precision, safety, and ease of use better than almost any other machine in this price range. Whether you're just starting a small business or looking to upgrade your workshop, this model is built to handle demanding projects without making the process feel complicated. The fully enclosed design creates a cleaner and more comfortable workspace, while the powerful 40-watt laser makes quick work of engraving intricate designs and cutting thicker materials that would challenge many competing machines. From personalized signs and layered wood art to leather goods, acrylic projects, drinkware, and custom gifts, it offers the versatility to tackle almost any creative idea you have in mind. It also works exceptionally well for small production runs, helping makers complete more orders in less time without sacrificing quality. While it does require a larger investment than entry-level options, the combination of premium features, reliable performance, and room to grow makes it a purchase that can continue paying off for years. If you're looking for one laser engraver that delivers professional results while remaining approachable for beginners, the Xtool S140 watts stands out as the strongest overall choice in this year's ranking.